So here we are. We've been waiting one whole hour just twiddling our thumbs here at Jumpinpin, waiting for these fly boys to get their little tushes right here. So will they ever come?
I hope they don't think that we're over there. I did say the pin, so...
They're just looking around and... oh no, he's coming. Oh.
Gee, you can hear me.
Drop it low, let me play that back.
And here we have some fly boys. You can do it, Dan. You can do it. Right boys, let's go. Let's do this. Let's do this before they escape. Down to down to down 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 to down to down. Oh. Well, Paramotor Pete, one thing I'll tell you about these fly boys, they may fly high, but they're not as quick as us. Sorry, Peter. 1 for Jetskis, 0 for Paramotors. Come on guys, can you seriously jump a wave on a paramotor? Huh? versus Jetski.
That's where we land. Dan, man. Dan! Hello, Dan!